Growing up, every kid wanted to be an athlete. We grew up mimicking shots of our favorite players and we count down the game clock and wait for one before shooting in the backyard. Well, LeBron James was no different. Thanks to genetics, a ton of practice, and belief, LeBron James is the highest paid basketball player in the world. James signed a 4-year, $154 million contract just recently. But he's also earned close to $100,000 in endorsements. LeBron James's net worth and career earnings eclipsed $1 billion when he signed his deal with the Lakers. He's bought his fair share of luxury. Here are 8 items that LeBron James owns that cost more than your life. Well, I feel like it's okay to be jealous. So let's get into it. Gold and diamond shoes. Now, LeBron James became the youngest player to ever reach 30,000 points scored in his NBA career. As he continues to crack new milestones and crack new records, LeBron likes to make each moment memorable. The shoe surgeon and Nike awarded their most important signee a pair of custom signature shoes wrapped in gold and diamond. LeBron James won't wear these shoes. They're unwearable, but they're extremely flashy for one of the flashiest players in the NBA. These shoes mimic the LeBron 15s. The sneaker also boasts authentic gold-plated Riri zippers with custom zipper pulls, each made from 14 grams of 18-karat gold and 2.32 carats of diamond-dawned lace, both 5.2 carats. In total, the shoe costs over $100,000. His cars. Coming in at a price tag of over $154,000, Ferrari fans will be amazed by LeBron James' super-fast F430 Spider. An interesting fact is that LeBron James is too tall for these cars and has to have them all custom-made to be able to fit in them. He did this with his Ferrari F430 Spider that features a lightweight V8 engine that produces 490 horsepower. LeBron also owns a Dodge Challenger SRT, which comes equipped with the monstrous 6.4-liter V8 engine. James is usually driving around with his family in this one. The car features dual-zone climate control, has a top speed of 199 miles per hour, and can go from 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. It's been reported that this version of car was upgraded by LeBron James. However, the more modest versions of this car come in the manufacturer's suggested retail price of around $50,000, I think. The Hummer Edge 2 is the perfect type of car for LeBron to drive in, and it is apparently also his favorite car to be seen in. The yellow Hummer 2 was a gift from his mother on his 18th birthday and is equipped with an 8-way power front seats and Bass premium sound system. It has a top speed of 177 kilometers per hour. A newer version of the car goes for $103,000. LeBron James owns an amazing all-white Chevrolet Camaro SS. The car is engineered for both speeds, performance and efficiency, and can go from 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds and has a stick-speed manual transmission. Rumor has it that LeBron James paid roughly $37,900 for this one. Well, his crazy car collection continues. LeBron owns a black Porsche Turbo for around $165,000. This massive vehicle pulls all the punches with the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, top speed of 111 miles per hour, and an impressive off-road performance. This vehicle can tear through sand, rocks, snow, or mud with ease. The sports car is powered by a high-end turbo-charged 3800cc flat-X engine. It delivers an output of 530 brake horsepower. The turbo can touch speeds of 100 km an hour from start in less than 4 seconds and can clock up a top speed of 320 km per hour. The car's stylized interior feature leather upholstered seats and the controls provide smooth handling experience. The craziest car collection is the all-white Maybach 57S with a hefty price tag of $367,000. And this is the epitome of dynamic elegance and power. The car is fitted with an electric tilting sliding sunroof made from 0.25 inches laminated glass and has a 5.5-liter V12 engine and can achieve a top speed of around 170 miles per hour. However, LeBron actually sold this car sometime in around 2013. Miami and Ohio mansions. LeBron James grew up in Ohio, but when he moved to play for the Miami Heat, James bought a $9 million mansion that was over 15,000 square feet. The mansion is located in the ultra upmarket area in Coconut Grove, Miami, Florida. The luxurious mansion has grounds that include 3 fountains, rooms for 2 6-foot yacht dock, 6 bedrooms, and 8.5 bathrooms. The mansion features a huge kitchen, impressive and well-equipped laundry room, infinity pool overlooking the bay, large home theater, and a huge wine cellar. The whole complex is surrounded by lush palm trees, sprawling gardens, and the security is tight. When he played for the Miami Heat, James resided in South Florida. He sold that home for over $13 million. While playing for the Cleveland Cavaliers, LeBron James purchased his Ohio mansion for around $2.1 million in 2003. This home has 19 bedrooms. It features a 2-lane bowling alley, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, private home theater, and even a barber shop. The grand master bedroom is located on the first floor, has a 2-story walk-in closet, and there's even an online casino on site. The house also features a sports bar, an aquarium with initials, estimate putting the whole complex at a $9.2 million. Yes, that upgrades to the house that cost $7 million. Imagine that. The Los Angeles mansion. Once LeBron James took his talents to LA Lakers, James had to find a new home for his family and himself. So he splurged and bought a $23 million mansion in Los Angeles. The mansion was a brand new home in Brentwood area. This home is actually King James' second in LA. In addition to his house in Akron, Ohio, James currently has 2 houses in Los Angeles and still has his home in Ohio. Let's talk about his Rolex collection. Being a basketball player in the NBA, it's important to know what time it is during the day at all times. That's not necessarily why he has a Rolex collection, but it's because he loves the style and really has good taste for watches. The 4-time MVP and 3-time NBA champion brought a championship back to Ohio. In 2016, after rejoining the Cleveland Cavaliers, LeBron made good on his promise to bring back the championship to Cleveland. At the Cavaliers victory parade in Cleveland, LeBron sported a yellow gold Rolex day-to-day too. LeBron also has featured luxury Rolex on his Instagram page. LeBron has also featured a few of these luxury Rolexes on his Instagram page, including the Sky Dweller. Let's go on to his endorsements. James joined the LA Lakers in 2018 under a 4-year, $153 million contract. But that's not all the money he's bringing in. Forbes estimated that James makes almost $19 million off of celebrity endorsements. LeBron James has become this era's face of the NBA, and he owns a production company called Spring Hill Entertainment and a media company called Uninterrupted. Well guys, just like that, we've come to the very end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like to see such videos. Also, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.